Oh, hello, this is Tak Chung from Walk with Tak. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share. A meal prep has become increasingly popular. You cook in advance and you eat later. Jeff is a firefighter. He loves to do meal prep. He usually will prep 6 meals and he will take 3 of them with him to the fire station and he will leave 3 of them at home for his family. He usually would prep 3 different dishes to go into each meal, and that usually take him less than 30 minutes. This way, he would make sure that there's something there for everybody, something he enjoy, his wife enjoy, as well his children would like it as well. Most of the time, he would serve his meal prep with rice. And the part that he liked best is the advanced prepping because he has all the ingredients ready when he starts to cook, and he can have this meal prep done in less than 30 minutes. The first thing he does when he walks into the kitchen is to get some chicken out of the freezer that has been already prepped, that he could thaw out in a sink of warm water in about 10 minutes. The next thing for him to do is to cook some rice, which will be ready in about 20 minutes. The first dish Jeff is going to cook is a fuyang egg dish with tomatoes. His children love this dish. They love the way the egg is cooked, and he's cracked the egg directly into the wok. This dish is cooked in a Cuisinart 14-inch stainless steel wok. The wok is very well seasoned. As you can see, the egg glides freely on the surface of the wok. Jeff next adds some finely chopped tomatoes to the egg so that the tomato will blend well into the egg. Next, Jeff used my basic seasoning mix to flavor the egg. The basic seasoning mix is designed to enhance the natural flavor of the ingredients. In less than 3 minutes, the dish is done. The next dish Jeff decided to cook is a vegetable dish. He started with some onion and thinly sliced carrot. Jeff did not wash the wok before he cooked this dish because the egg left almost no residue in the wok. This is then followed by some sugar snap peas. Jeff's 2 children love sugar snap peas, so he knows that this will go well in the prep meal. This next ingredients to go to the wok is yellow squash, which is Jeff's favorite. After stir frying for about 1 minute, Jeff adds some water to soften the texture of the ingredients. This approach is a combination of stir frying and steaming the vegetable in the wok at the same time. Next, Jeff seasoned the dish with some of my basic seasoning mix, which is to enhance the natural flavor of the vegetables. It contains minimum amount of salt. It makes the flavor of the vegetable more distinctive. Okay, now the dish is done. The total cook time is a little bit over 4 minutes. Jeff takes the wok to the sink and it takes only about 30 seconds to get the wok clean. The next dish Jeff is going to cook is a teriyaki chicken. The children love teriyaki chicken. To cook the chicken dish, Jeff is going to add some green pepper as well as a tiny amount of jalapeno pepper. To season the chicken, Jeff is going to use a combination of oyster sauce and hoisin sauce. And then Jeff will thicken the sauce with some cornstarch. To quicken the process, Jeff sprinkles some cornstarch directly over the chicken. By this time, Jeff has shut off the stove. He had only a little bit cornstarch at a time. This will avoid the cornstarch in clumping. So okay, now the chicken is ready, and again it's a very quick dish to cook, and the total cook time is a little bit over 5 minutes. And by now the rice is just ready for him to put into the prep meal. Jeff, take a look at the time. He has been in the kitchen for about 22 minutes. All of these dishes are very fast to cook. It takes him about 3 or 4 minutes to cook the egg, about 5 minutes to cook the vegetable dish, and it took him another 5 minutes to cook the chicken dish. With template-based cooking, Jeff does not cook all of these dishes the same each time. He always makes some small variations. A lot of time depend on his personal preferences, but a lot of time it also depends on what is available to him. When using my fast cooking system, with the combination of flavor chasing, advanced prepping, stir frying, and template-based cooking, it is possible to create such a meal with minimum amount of time but with a lot of variations. Advanced prepping is the fuel in driving this cooking because through advanced prepping, it's almost like money in the bank. You can always draw on it whenever you need them. Also, advanced prepping makes template-based cooking more effective and creative because there are different ingredients to choose from. Jeff told me that he really enjoyed making these prep meals because at the end, he feels a sense of accomplishments. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share. I'll see you next time.